Thank you so much for coming. You have new upload, my friend. Hala, message deleted. Message deleted. Ay, sorry, sorry. Sorry, sorry. Hala, kaninong ano yon? Kaninong message? Message deleted by Lilian channel. View deleted message. Hala, kanino yon? Sorry, guys. Sorry, my friend. I think I delete your one message. Sorry. I mistake, my friend. Oh, you have no new upload, my friend. I watch again. I watched this one last night, but I watch again, okay?